Check. Go live and then I do what? Check. Hello, hello, hello. Where's my microphone? Hello? Okay. No latency. Alright, I'm setting up my live here. This is the first time I'm doing this type of live, so stick. Check. Okay, I'm in tune. Alright. Yeah, those guys sit with me and doing something but bigger than me here, you know. So I'm the one who set up these things the first time I'm doing this. Yes, what my life is about. Well, I gotta introduce myself. My name is Troy. Yeah, and my YouTube channel is Best Jamaica Product and More. Some people may know me, some people may not. My channel is very young, so practicing and try to learn the craft, you know, streaming and making video and things. So this is the first time I'm doing a streaming like this, so the stream even start before me even expect, because it was a blank screen. But yeah, let's see what I can do. So okay, not seeing anything. Okay, so I'm seeing what going on now. This is a millionaire. Not seeing anything. Oh, so someone was paying attention, but I think I'm getting it now. So this is my camera. So the streaming is not about me. I gotta use a software, architectural software. The name of the software is Chief Architect. So I have a little knowledge how to do a floor plan with it, and I use it and do a couple videos and things. And a couple of people reach out to me and asking me what software you use to do your video, make your plan, and you know what amount I know about the program. I don't know much about it, you know, so I decided to just share my knowledge and information. So this is the first time I did something like this. So remember why we are here. Buffer. Internet signal not good. Alright, so if we can't fix that. Yeah, something show me some have a weak signal. As I say, just see with me. Trying my best. Where is this? So this. Okay, my internet is weak. Okay. Well, I'm trying the first thing now. I realize my internet signal is not well. Look how much I can do about that. Yes, what I will do is try to go ahead and do what I can do. You know, the live start. So win, lose or draw, the live is alive. So let's get to the computer screen. Yeah, so this is a little sketch of my plan I've been drawing. So this is a sheet of letter size paper here, and I have a piece of cardboard. I have a 4x6 photo sheet. I have an envelope and a T. That's the little squares of T. So this is what I'm gonna use and draw my plan by hand first. So I got the sketches out. So I'm just giving an idea how I go about using the software. So first, you need to think about what your video is all about. Then make up a plan. So I sketch out a plan on a piece of paper. So basically I'm designing the plan by hand. Just to get an insight of what I'm doing. This is how I do it. Many people just go to the software and just start to work. But this is what I do first. So this is what worked for me. Yeah, so as you can see, there's things around the house I use to do the frame. Well, it's not really a frame, but piece of cardboard. Whatever I catch, sketch out what my design will look like first. Put in the names of what era and thing, and that's all I do it. Then we head over to the software. Okay. Really not doing a single try. So I gotta head over to the software. So this is behind my screen. So see it? I'm supposed to do extended monitor. Okay, so this is my software. I guess things. So to build, what I do with the drawing just now, I will do it in the digital field. So I go for one square. This is a room. This is a 12 by 12 room, and I place the next one beside it. So I'm just demonstrating and testing out the live. I never do a live like this before, so it kind of a bit a little bit difficult, but I have to try it, get the understanding of it. So this is the Chief Architect program, so it's demonstrating what I do. Zoom this. So this is one room, 2 room, and a living room. Then we get this live is killing me, man. Not sickle, but I just gotta do what I'm doing, you know. It's my first time. It's kind of a bit rough for me. It's hard, it's not rough. Alright, so we put the kitchen there. So remember to leave your comments, like, subscribe. Tell me what you think. Tell me where I go wrong. I mean, I have a lot of space to learn, you know. I'm always willing to learn. So these are just the space planner. I'm using a space planner tool. So this tool know all the measurements. So all I have to do is place these blocks so you would like your building to be. I don't know if I'm doing a good job, but I'm doing what I can. So this is a master bedroom. This room is bigger. Okay. This is what I need next. Next. Walkway. Yeah, this is how I do it. So this is a space planner. There's a lot of video on the internet how to use this program, but people intend to reach out to me, ask me what I use and whatever. So I don't decide to share what I know. Don't know if it will make sense or what, but I just doing what I'm doing. Okay, so this is basically the space planner. So now I will add my walls. So these are not the walls, you know, the walls. This is just to get the measurement right. Okay, what I leave off, something else missing. I can work at this. So then I gotta do my walls now. So I start placing my walls. This is my exterior wall. And this program is very flexible. Everything can be adjusted, shift and whatever, so you cannot do anything wrong. You can always go back and adjust them and thing. So I like them. Use the mouse or use a keyboard. So we're gonna do the interior now. So this is like fun for me. This is fun. Soon as I finish create the wall, I'll give you a view, a 3D view. And bear in mind, these blocks, the space planner can move. You can move them to see here. Walls. So as I say, the space, this block can move. Alright, because this wall now, this wall should be that right. So you can adjust it, you cannot do anything wrong. So these are my walls. So at the I really look after concrete walls, who give you a 3D look of it. So that's it. That's the wall. So the 3D So this is what I just draw. So this is what the 3D view of it look like. So you can so we're gonna go back. We don't need these anymore. So we can do away with them. Alright. So I gotta show you how we put in the windows. You have the door tool. Select your door. Alright. Oh, there's one more wall. I need to do one more wall before I go to the doors. You have to kind of see me. I'm not relaxed, you know, like I never work in the public before, so you know, kind of different for me. Alright, yes, so I gotta put in my doors. So doors, adjust the door. Doors. As I said, this thing is very flexible. You cannot do anything wrong because you can shift them over. For instance, this door, if I feel like it is too small, I can make it a bit bigger. If I don't want it in the corner, I can adjust it to the center. So it's very flexible. Alright, so it should be a little wall right here. Yeah, so right in here is a closet. So we go back to the door. Fit a door there. Okay, I should bring this wall across in order to put a door right here. Next door right there. Door right here. Adjust the door. So where's it anymore? You know you have a walkthrough. Front entrance door. Need to do the walkthrough. Open it. Open it. Well, so that's my doors. So this door for this room here. This door for this room, you have a bathroom for this master bedroom. You have, yes, all doors are present. So we're doing the window next. So window. One window here. One window here. This tool is a very fun tool to use. Window on the front, window on the front, so two windows on this side. Use no window to the back. So this is the windows and the doors. So this is what it looked like. So that's a look right around. Clean, neat. And these measurements are applied like real measurement. So when you finish with this drawing, you have the diagram with the exact measurement or you want it. And bear in mind you can change the colors of these walls. And you can add furnitures and fixtures to your building. I'm not gonna have any problem with my internet here. Ooh. Alright, so we gotta add some So when you change the colors and add the fixtures, this is a view, and as I said, just see with me with my internet is not that good. The first time I'm doing live, so this is like an inside view with some fixtures and appliance and things. So you can say I finally do the